Unpacking Slang. The Story Behind Meat Wagon. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a fascinating phrase in the English language, meat wagon. Whether you're learning English as a new language or you're just curious about quirky expressions, understanding phrases like this one can give you unique insights into the culture and humor behind the language. So, let's get started and dive into the world of English slang. The term, meat wagon, is a colloquial, slang expression that refers to an ambulance or a vehicle used for transporting the injured or dead. It's important to note that this term is very informal and can often be considered disrespectful or insensitive. Therefore, it's typically used in casual conversation and not in professional or serious contexts. The origin of meat wagon can be traced back to the grim humor often found among emergency service workers and military personnel. It's a product of their sometimes dark sense of humor, dealing with stressful and life-threatening situations. The term likens the ambulance to a vehicle that carries meat, with a macabre twist referring to the human cargo in times of injury or fatality. As an English learner or speaker, it's crucial to know when and how to use such expressions. Given its informal nature, meat wagon is best used among friends or in contexts where a sense of humor is appreciated. It's not appropriate for formal situations, and using it can be seen as offensive when speaking to professionals like paramedics or in the presence of those affected by medical emergencies. Learning slang is an essential aspect of becoming fluent in English because it provides context to the culture and the informal use of the language. Phrases like meat wagon are a part of the vibrant tapestry of English slang. While it's not necessary to use them, understanding them can certainly help you comprehend native speakers better. I hope this exploration of the phrase, meat wagon, has been both enlightening and entertaining. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the cultural and emotional layers that give it color and life. Happy learning! And see you in the next video where we'll unpack more fascinating aspects of the English language.